Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Once again, this is Kaprotas Breakfast Time. My coach, more cook, hot pots, better to me than more fresh cold pots. That's my coach and observation. But ignore my pods and drinks. And also, any problems that comes to me, I have a solution. I don't put in heart and mind problem because it will destroy my everyday life and future. I always say there is a solution in problem. That's my coach and observation. Okay, let's check. Breakfast time. Yan. Sinigang. Masarap humikot ng sabaw. Sarap to, sabaw. Okay, let's check. Press muna. Orange. Matamis. Kaya lang may buto. Ang tamis. Wow, ang sarap humikot talaga pag mainit. Ito yung sinasabi ko, more cook hot pots, better to me than more fresh cold pots. That's why I got sa observation. Masarap talaga pag mainit.